Hey guys, miss me yet? Yeah, I thought so. So I was thinking, we can't do hug time, but we can do something that I think will get some sunshine in your pocket!
It's gonna be the biggest, the loudest!
The craziest party ever!
Oh my gosh! Hi everyone!
Guys, we need to sing the most important song in the history of music.
Let's go.
Wow! This is so much fun! I love it!
Who said that?
I can't hear you.
Okay.
No.
Wait for it!
can't.
Wait for it! Wait for it!
Tiny and Daddy out.
Yes! Okay, we're back. Okay, bye. Best video chat ever. Forget everything, just sing. Skip out.